Hello YouTube and welcome to another 360 video by 360 Guys. Today we're taking a trip into an LCBO store here in Toronto, Canada. The Liquor Control Board of Ontario, or LCBO for short, is a crown corporation that retails and distributes alcoholic beverages throughout the Canadian province of Ontario. By September of 2017, the LCBO was operating 651 liquor stores. The LCBO maintained a quasi-monopoly on the trade in alcoholic beverage sales in Ontario for nearly a century after its creation. For most of this time, LCBO stores were the only retail outlets licensed to sell alcohol in Ontario, with the notable exceptions of beer at the beer store and two major wine shop chains, The Wine Shop and Wine Rack. Laws have eased up a little bit now, and wine and beer can be sold at selected grocery stores, but hard liquor is still an LCBO monopoly. Because Ontario is Canada's most populous province, with over 13 million people, or almost 40% of the nation's population, LCBO's quasi-monopoly status made it the world's largest purchaser of alcoholic beverages. Inside LCBO stores, you would usually see different sections: vintage wines, beers, and perhaps a walk-in beer fridge, foreign and domestic wine, hard liquors such as whiskey, scotch, vodka, rum, and cognac get their own small sections, and everything else takes up the rest of the store. Remember, products may only be picked up by a person 19 years of age or older who's not or does not appear to be intoxicated. And also, have your ID ready because anyone can be ID'd. Well, we hope you enjoyed the tour. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you find yourself in our video, make sure to comment below. We're giving out prizes. Alternatively, if you're in the video and do not wish to be shown, we will gladly blur you out. Just let us know in the comments, and of course, timestamp will definitely help. Remember, these videos are best enjoyed with VR headsets, and if you don't have one, click on our affiliate link in the description. It will help our channel. You can also enjoy this video with natural sound by following the link in the video description. Make sure to check our channel regularly, as we will be posting at least one new video every week. Remember, there's more where that came from.